Breaking news from the Vatican. Pope Francis is in critical condition at Rome's Gemelli Hospital, battling a severe respiratory crisis. With millions praying for his recovery, concern grow about the future of his papacy. Stay with us for the full details. Pope Francis, aged 88, was rushed to Rome's Gemelli Hospital on February 14th after experiencing severe breathing difficulties. Doctors diagnosed him with bilateral pneumonia, a dangerous condition causing lung inflammation. In response, he was placed on high flow oxygen support and received emergency blood transfusion. Sources report that Pope Francis also suffered an asthmatic episode, making it even harder for him to breathe. While he remains conscious and aware, the Vatican has confirmed that his condition is still critical. As soon as the news broke, millions around the world began offering prayers for the Pope. From Vatican City to Latin America, candlelight vigils have been held, hoping for his swift recovery. Even leaders of other faiths and political figures have sent their well wishes. So, what happens now? Doctors are closely monitoring his oxygen levels and watching for any signs of improvement or complications. If his condition stabilizes, he may resume papal duties in a few weeks. But if his health worsens, the Vatican may have to consider temporary leadership transitions. This isn't the first time Pope Francis has faced serious health issues. Over the year, he has undergone intestinal surgery, hip treatment, and respiratory complications. Given his age, any medical emergency raises questions about the future of his leadership. Pope Francis has always have been a symbol of hope, peace, and faith. Now the world stands together in prayer for his recovery. What are your thoughts on this? Drop a comment below and share your prayers. And don't forget to subscribe for the more updates on this developing story.